Introducing the Delta Coffee Press, the first coffee maker designed from the ground up to remove unwanted agitation from the brewing process. To brew with Delta, you need freshly roasted beans, water just off the boil, and a grinder. Start by placing a filter in the Delta cap and rinse. Add freshly ground coffee into the Delta coffee chamber. Twist on the Delta cap, flip over onto your cup and start pouring. Our unique jet seal separates the brew water and coffee, stopping unwanted agitation. Simply filter the line markings, which are accurately shown. The plunger can be raised to dose to the exact brew water required. Water and coffee contact is activated by downward pressure for controlled water flow and agitation. Raise the plunger again to redose or refill the brew chamber for larger double batch servings. The result is an exceptional cup of coffee that can be brewed faster with less bitterness and more clarity.
Remove the included scoop and brush from the water tank. The brush can be used to clean your NanoPresso of any excess grounds that can build up over time. The water tank also has a cup attached to it. Next, unscrew the portafilter and remove the coffee filter basket. Add finely ground coffee into the scoop. Transfer the finely ground coffee from the scoop into the filter basket. Be sure to clean any grounds off the rim of the filter basket. The next step is to tamp the coffee using the bottom of the scoop as a tamper. There should be about 4 millimeters of space at the top of the filter basket after you tamp. To ensure proper grind size, use a scale to weigh 8 grams of coffee. Next, put the coffee filter basket into the NanoPresso and screw on the portafilter. Make sure the portafilter is screwed on tight. Next, add boiling water to the water tank. The water should be at least 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Fill the water up to the line marked on the inside of the water tank. Screw the water tank onto the NanoPresso. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Flip the NanoPresso upside down and start pumping with slow, consistent pumps to build up pressure inside the machine. It should take about 6 to 8 pumps to get up to pressure. After about 20 to 30 pumps, your espresso will be fully extracted. You will know the espresso is fully extracted once you no longer feel resistance in the piston. Once the espresso is fully extracted, the crema should be smooth and golden brown.
The Camp Cafe is a pour-over system that brews enough coffee for the whole group quickly. So you get the bold, rich flavor of pour-over and incredibly easy cleanup. So the whole thing nests together for easy transport and storage. And then when you unpack it, you get the boil kettle itself, you get the coffee carafe, the pour-over filter cone, and this little coffee scoop. It holds 12 cups of coffee so everyone can fill their mug on the first round. Now the other great thing about the Camp Cafe is how easily it cleans up. Not only can you make fresh pour-over coffee that's way better than instant, your whole group gets a cup quickly so everyone is fueled and ready to go first thing.
The In-Camp Cafe is about the size of a water bottle and makes espresso-style coffee just about anywhere. To make great coffee, remove the cup, unfold the handles, add water and coffee grounds, then heat the water to boiling. The In-Camp Cafe is designed for use with the In-Camp stove, but also works with other stoves. The cafe is made of stainless steel. The cup and handles have a silicone wrap for grip and insulation. It makes about 12 ounces of great tasting coffee. In-Camp, pack small, adventure big.